welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 11.2.3. In the diagram, PK is a tangent to the circle at K. Chord LS is produced to P. N and M are points on KP and SP respectively, such that MN is parallel to SK. Chord KS and LN intersect at T. If LK is 12 units and 3Kn is equal to 4Sm, determine the length of Ks. Right, remember now we need to use our previous answers. We managed to prove that triangle in the previous questions. We managed to prove that triangle LKN is similar to triangle KSM. Right, we managed to prove that. Let's just say proved. Okay, so now we have to use this to answer this question. So from this, we can say LK over KS is equal to KN over SM, and then is equal to LN over KM. See that? Okay. And then let's look at the information that are given. LK there. We have KN and SM. So KN and SM. And then we're looking for KS. So we need this. We just need this part. Okay. Let's substitute what we have here. LK is 12 units. 12. And then KS, that's what we're looking for, is equal to KN over SM. So using this, we need to find what Kn over Sm is. Okay, what do we do? Let's just work it here. Okay, let's just do it here. 3Kn is equal to 4Sm. So if I divide by Sm on both sides of the equation, Sm, okay, we can do these things differently. And then Sm divided by Sm there. Then divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. I remain with Kn over Sm is equal to 4 over 3. See that? We've divided by 3 on both sides of the equation. So Kn over Sm is equal to 4 over 3. So this is like 4 over 3. Okay? Right, and then you can cross multiply here. So 4 times Ks is 4Ks is equal to 12 times 3, which is 36. And then divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. Ks is equal to 9 units. Okay, that's what it's supposed to do there. Right. Okay, if you want, you can say this one. You can say Ks over 12 is equal to 3 over 4. And then multiply by 12 on both sides. Say Ks is equal to 3 over 4 times 12. See that? You still get your 9. Okay, we're going to meet when you do the last part of our question.